Hey, I'm just standing in front of the Canadian Opera right now because Dancing Phil and me are gonna shoot a new dance video. Let's go! Oh! So, after this gong,
Yeah. How many fucking gongs are there?
this is getting quite heavy.
Yeah,
You know what?
sorry.
I think I'm
Yeah,
gonna
just
put
take a
it.
break.
I'm gonna put it on the table.
Oh,
How
yeah,
about
yeah.
that? Over the last 5 years, I've shot a lot of dance videos with Phil, and the thing that I love the most about them, it's always just one take, and we do everything in one shot. It's kind of like this dance where Phil dances with the camera, with the audience when you're watching. So we always do a quick little walkthrough before we actually start shooting.
And you probably here at this point, because I'll be walking, just doing like simple dance stuff. And probably meet them right here, and like, and here's only like 2 more. I'll probably put the final 2 maybe on this thing.
We'll end on the street?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like we'll go out into public, as I think we can with their furry feet. I don't think it's wet. Like right there.
Wait, did he say furry feet?
Their furry feet?
I guess he did. Let's find out who are our guest dance performers today.
We're drawing a crowd, by the way.
Are you?
Yeah. People are just like, oh my god, what kind of opera is this?
Did you guys see any of the videos? Yeah. The Durable sent you? So yeah, we just do it in like one shot to make sure that it like stays spontaneous and fun, and like we don't want takes and we don't want like anything perfect. Like we love accidents and things going wrong. So
I'm so good at it.
clearly. So we'll just do it. We'll just do it in one shot and see what happens.
It's so much fun to not being able to prepare much and know what's happening. It's kind of like improvising. You have to be really quick on your feet to make sure to capture it all. Well, I have to do that, and I just love it because those little accidents are oftentimes like the outtakes. It's where people show their real emotions, and they are a lot of times much more powerful than anything that you've rehearsed for like 10-15 times, because with every time that you do it, it loses a bit of its authenticity.
Are you ready for me?
Yes. Okay. Now, of course, you have to go and find out what happened at the shoot with Phil and the furries. So go check out that video right after this one, and you have to subscribe to Phil's channel if you want to watch more of his videos. There's over 50 dance videos on his channel where he's misbehaving in public spaces around Toronto.
Yeah, it's just like endless fun, and it's like great to watch while you're at work, like while you're supposed to be working, or like in a meeting, or at home before you're going out. It's like an energy boost.
And you can even dance while
You can
watching.
dance with it, yeah. Like my moves are clearly easy to copy because they're so basic.
And that is it for today's video. Remember that whatever you're creating, it doesn't have to be perfect. A lot of times people will connect with you a lot better if you mess up. And if you want to get more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel as well, where I share more stories about adventure, growth, and connection.